Hi. Say hi.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi to everyone. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, what will we do? What's that?
Ay,
We're going to study.
Daddy.
Okay. I will teach you, okay, Margaux?
Okay.
Oh, what is this?
Dog.
Oh, dog. And then what does the dog says?
Woof, 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 woof.
Woof woof. Very good. Or should you say ow ow?
Ow, 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 ow.
Ow ow. Very good. How about this one?
Cat, cat, cat,
Oh,
cat.
what does the cat says?
No, 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 no.
Meow. How about this one?
Duck, 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 duck.
No. What is the sound of the duck?
Quack, quack, quack,
Quack quack. Very good. How about this one? What's this?
Moo, moo.
Very good. That's it. This is what? Cow. And then what does the cow says?
Moo.
Very good. Haba ng uso ah. Oh, what is this?
Bird.
Bird. And then what does a bird says? Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. Very good. Say bye-bye.